up here. Very cold because we're so high. Look, I'm damn near in the clouds. I'm damn near in the clouds. Please let me get up there somehow. Oh, I think I found it. Yas, you see that? That there is a freaking road to heaven. Oh shoot, very bumpy. Oh my gosh. I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful one-handed when driving like this because, I mean, my golly, look at this stuff on the road. Oh yes, we doing it. We finally gonna be in the clouds, boys and girls. Oh man, I guess it was not. No, we went the wrong way. Yep, that's not how we get there. I turn around. God bless you. Oh my gosh. We will get there. We will get there. Shit. Lost my damn shoe. Oh shoot. Y'all see that? Y'all like that shit, huh? That's okay. I told y'all it was dangerous. That's what I'm telling y'all. Golly, I gotta gather my camera. Bent it all up. Okay, we back on road. I was not hurt. It was a clean fall. Clean fall. We will get there. We still good. We'll get there. Should have one of those helmets that the GoPro can attach to. Oh yes, we're getting there. I only got 10% battery left. I must go faster. Enough gas to get back. The good thing about getting back is there's no gas. I just it's all brakes going downhill. It's all brakes, no gas. Come on, baby, take us to the clouds, baby. Yes, I think we're in it. I'm pretty sure we're in the clouds. Yes, we are. Yes, there it is, boys. We in the clouds, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a cloud. That's how high I am. I'm in the clouds. You get so high, high, high. We go higher and higher. How high can we go? are you? Am I allowed to go up there? No? Private property? This is as high as it gets, huh? This is crazy. It's colder up here. Huh? The fog. Those are clouds. That's crazy. What's that way? Anything? That in? Oh, very good. Okay. I can? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. We're in the freaking clouds, dude. Oh my gosh. It's a freaking jungle. I'm literally in the clouds. I'm in awe. Look at this. So high. It's so high. Yes, yes, yes. That's it, boys.